Stand over here. We have a ball or any object being thrown straight up into the air with a speed of 18 meters per second. So it's launched straight up at 18 meters per second. I'm going to measure its, well, I'm looking for its final height. And I'm going to measure its final height from its initial height being 0, wherever it was launched. I want to use energy conservation to solve this, not kinematics. At the bottom, it has all kinetic energy, right? It has no height, and the energy of height is potential energy. It doesn't have any. And it has all kinetic energy here, and then at the very top, it has all potential energy. So this is an energy conservation problem. The energy goes from kinetic to potential. There is no work done. Energy is conserved. Because other than gravity, there is no outside force acting on it while it's traveling through the air. Yeah, I know my hand had to throw it, but I'm looking at it after it left my hand. And we ignore air resistance. So initial energy is the kinetic. Remember that that E is the total mechanical energy, which is made up of these two. Afterwards, it's the final. This is at the highest point. Final kinetic plus the final potential. This is 1/2, the equation for kinetic is 1/2 V mvi squared plus mgyi equals 1/2 mvf squared plus mgyf. Notice that you have mass common to every term. Mass is common to every term, and when that's true, you can cancel it. Now we solve for whatever it is we're looking for. I'm looking for the final height. Oh, the other thing I can do, by the way, is cross out anything that's 0. Well, that's 0 because, well, this whole term is 0 because the initial height is 0, so it doesn't have any potential energy. The other thing I can cross out is this term right here. Why? Because it stops at its highest point, and the energy, the kinetic energy, goes to 0. So that's 0, and that's 0. Well, that's kind of nice. So now I end up with 1/2 mvi squared. Oh, the m's cancel. I'm sorry. Let me just rewrite this. Equals mgy final. Again, the m's canceled out. And I'm looking for that. So let's put in numbers. 1/2 times 18 squared equals 9.8 times VF. So let's solve that. That comes out to be 16.5 meters. Oh, sorry, excuse me. So YF comes out to be 16.5 meters.